What's up, y'all? It's your girl Emani Nicole, and I am back with another video. As you can see, my eyes are already done, my brows are already done. I'm just gonna go in and show y'all how I put on my foundation. So for my eyes, I use the Wet n Wild paint palette, and it's their Brights palette, and it comes with these pretty colors. The eyeshadow palette is like a cream, so it goes on very smoothly, which I love. So I went in as a base, I used the purple, and for this top part, I actually went in with the Zombie blush, and it's the color Vampy, and it looks like that, and that's that light pink color at the top. I saw the Little Mermaid look that we did in the previous video, so I'm just going to go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the color Cream Beige, and it looks like this. So, and it comes with like a little applicator, so I'm just going to put some in here. So also, if you're like me and you're a beginner and you don't really have the tools to do your makeup or don't really know what you're doing, again, like me, I'm a beginner. Like you saw, Courtney was showing me the simple techniques. We created a fun Little Mermaid look, and I'm just using the skills that I was taught and trying to do it without her here. So my foundation is applied, as y'all can see. This is foundation. Now I went to go get the foundation. I used my hand to match. Instead, I was supposed to use my neck. So from now on, I know what steps I need to take. It's the same bronzer in the color Ticket to Brazil, which was 740A. And for the bronzer, I'm just going to kind of take that to kind of like warm my face up a little bit. Now, she didn't do it this way. She had brushes. I don't have the brushes that she has. I literally, like I said, most minimalistic person over here. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Loose Highlighting Powder in the color Written in the Stars. This is new, and it has like all the zodiac symbols. Y'all saw it in the previous footage. This highlight is very like light. So I'm going to just take my ring finger. Let's see that? And I'm just going to lightly go on my nose and highlight my nose. Y'all see that? Oh my gosh. After removing the scales from my face, I just kept the eyes as they were, and I redid my foundation, concealer, highlight, and my lip. When I'm done, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray, and it looks like this. A quick, easy step for beginners. You saw some steps in the previous footage, and then that was me just doing it by myself. Just a simple extra steps. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button down below to get notified every time your girl posts. And if you're interested in any of the Wet n Wild products I use in this entire video, make sure you look in that description box down below. There's the website, the different stores you can find all of their products, and a super cute, cool discount code where you can receive 25% off, y'all. 25% off. Like, I'm giving you the code. Go use the code. Go get 25% off. Go get some dope Wet n Wild products. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. You won't at all. So I will catch you on my next video, and I am out.